Okay, so just a second, let me check. Yeah, everything is correct. Hey, hi everyone. Thank you so much for joining. So, before we start the live session, can anybody confirm? Am I audible properly? And let me share my screen. I will share my screen in a minute. So, can anybody confirm in the chat window? Can you see my video and is audio clear? Okay, so let's wait for the people to join. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Smita. Thank you, Rama. Thank you, Manish. Manish is from Jabalpur, RGPV 2011 batch. Okay, great, Manish. We are from the same batch. I completed from Bhopal, RGPV University, same. So good to know. Manish, have one comment. You made my automation future bright by a crisp to the point, very effective at teaching. Thank you so much, Manish. Good to hear this, especially on Teachers' Day. Thank you so much. Hi, Bheru. Thank you so much. Couple of people are joining. Okay, good to see. Thank you, everyone. It's nice to see all these comments. So this is just a quick live. I know I'm a little late, but I thought let's do it before 12. I was planning this in the evening, but I could not do it. So thank you so much once again for joining. And I want to say especially thanks to all of you for supporting this channel from a long time. Started this journey in 2014 and it's 2022. And I will continue till my last breath. So I want your support. So thank you so much for supporting my channel and sharing with your friends. I'm having two quick announcements, but before that, let's have some quick chit chat. Richa Binani, I started my career with your videos. Thank you so much. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you so much, Richa. And good to see your comments very frequently on my channel. So thank you so much for supporting this channel. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Israt. Promo Gixer YT. Thank you. Please reuse your real name so that I can understand who is joining and in the future I can connect with you in a better way. Manish says, when did you join iNeuron? So Manish, I joined iNeuron 1st of June. So I left my SAP full-time job and I joined full-time as automation VP at iNeuron. And I'm very glad to see I'm working with a very like-minded people like Sudhanshu, Krish, Hitesh, Naveen, Sridhar, Mahatmaji Technical, and so many broad-minded and very famous YouTubers and great mentors. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you, Mohit. Nani, thank you so much, Mukesh, for videos. Your videos are awesome. Thank you so much, Nani. प्रत्युष एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम टेस्ट एंजी मेवन जेनकिंस सब कुछ सिखा भाई प्रत्युष सबके वीडियोस ऑलरेडी है चैनल पे आई हैव अ डेडिकेटेड सीरीज ऑन टेस्ट एंजी मेवन आई हैव 3 वीडियोस जेनकिंस आई हैव 21 वीडियोस ऑन जेनकिंस तो बस आपको चैनल खोलने की देरी है एवरीथिंग इज ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड Okay, Mohammed Aman Hashmi sir, one request: can you make a DSS series for tester for cracking product-based companies? Yes, this is actually pending from a long time, and right now, from like one of the mentor from iNeuron is already covering DSS series for cracking FANG companies, so you can have a look. Okay, Pratyush says, no, I mean to say sab kuch already sikha diya. It's not sab kuch, Pratyush. There's so many things to learn. Whatever we did, okay, that is one stack. Now we need to move to the next stack, right? Because Selenium is just one part. You need to keep upgrading to the different tools, different framework which is coming in the market. तो सब कुछ नहीं है, बहुत कुछ बाकी है अभी. And sorry, I took in a different way, but thank you so much, Pritesh. Okay, thank you so much. I'm not able to pin each and every comment, so let me see if any question, if anything that can be taken today. Okay, so we have Kiran with us. Kaizen with Kiran. Happy Teachers Day to my favorite teacher. Thank you so much, Kiran. Okay, so let me take few questions from the chat and let's see. I will be keeping this very short. I will try to finish by 11, like 30 minutes live. Agree, sir. iNeuron has a course, but the course does not have Java. See, Mohammed, you need to understand the data structure concept will remain same. Okay, once you understand the data structure algorithms, you can implement in Java, JavaScript, Python. So right now, first is the conceptual part. You need to understand how the data structure works. There are different components: stack, queue, heap, right? Tree, different algorithms. Once you understand all of this concept, then just a matter of which programming language you want to choose. Even if you start attending online tests, right, they will not be restricting you for a particular programming language. They will be giving you problem statement. You will get an id. Let's say if you are attending online test for on hacker rank or lead code, there will be a drop down which will ask you which programming language you want to select. So problem statement will be given to you, and it's up to you which language you want to choose. Because when you shift from one language to another language, it just syntax changes, but the concepts will remain same, right? Loops, conditional statement, variables, data type. Obviously, some changes when it comes to data types. Different programming languages have handled the data in a different way, but more or less they all are same. Faisal says how to become programming teachers. Faisal, start teaching. Okay, start teaching your friends, colleagues. You can start a YouTube channel like me. It's free of cost. Within a few minutes, you can create a YouTube channel and you can start teaching. Okay, once you're confident that yes, you can teach in a better way, you can connect me. We are still looking for a few high quality mentors. If you want to join Anyurun, you can connect with me and we can have a discussion. Bhairu, we have one question. Mukesh ji, please confirm that on coming 24 September class is you learning for experience candidate too. Yes, Bhairu. So the next batch which I'm going to start on Selenium with Java, it is for everyone, even if you're a fresher or experienced candidate. We are covering everything from the scratch plus basic till the advanced framework with pipeline integration, everything. So even if you're a fresher or experienced guy, doesn't matter, you can join. Okay, so announcement, I will be giving one announcement, but just a quick update. If you are interested right now, we have a quick offer. You can apply a coupon code called Mukesh 30 and you will be getting flat 30% discount. So after discount, the course price will be around 5,700 or 600 and with lifetime access. Bimlesh Mohan Nath, hi Mukesh. Any plans of starting complete DevOps series in the near future? Frankly speaking, Bimlesh, from my side, no. But yes, we have a new course coming by Hitesh Chaudhary. The course will be starting soon in October. I will be sharing the link in the description. You can check out the DevOps course, which is starting from 2nd October by Hitesh Chaudhary, Saksham Chaudhary, and one more mentor. Rishabh Banani, how can we connect you for and your mentorship? Just drop an email, Richa. We will quickly connect and we can see. We can discuss. Are you looking for a mentor role or you just want to get some experience? Just drop an email. So Kanya says, "Hi Mukesh, need your help to understand depth concept related to database, Catalan database related and Catalan desktops." So Kanya, I started this Catalan series back in 2017 or 18. After that, I stopped working on Catalan. I will be resuming this Catalan, but not soon. It might I might start this Catalan in 2023. So if you are looking for the immediate videos, then Raghav Pal Automation Step by Step has a lot of videos on Catalan, and he has uploaded many tests related to the database and desktops as well. Thank you so much, Manoj. Now, Purushottam says, can an automation testing person go to data science? Purushottam, not only automation testing, see, switching domain, I know it takes time, but if you're really looking for the data science, then it doesn't matter, because I have seen a lot of testimonials by Krish Nayak, and many people from non-IT background also, they have moved into data science. So if you are very sure that you want to shift from testing to data science, yes, you can do that. It might take a 1 year of transition for you, but it can be done. Siddharth says, please make video on latest Cypress version. Siddharth, I already have 4 videos. Fifth video is coming tomorrow. And I will continue this Cypress series. And from next Monday, I'm starting Playwright with JavaScript. So things are already in place. Thank you so much, Mohammed. Any plans you have to create WebDriver IO with APM series? Not in near future. I will start APM series with Java, but with WebDriver IO, it's not planned yet. When it comes to the documentation part, that is little weak. So this WebDriver IO, I have made around 19 videos, but it is totally on web automation mesh. But for APM, I need to see. Arun says my automation went. I follow all your videos and your training. Thank you so much, Arun. How to motivate ourselves to be updated with the latest technology? Perfectly imperfect girl. Okay, that's interesting. See, first of all, one is by push. Okay. So let's say you're working with one company, and immediately, let's say you're working on Selenium, and they ask you to now let's shift to Cypress or Playwright. Then by push, you have to do it, right? One is you have to keep updating yourself, because you cannot stick to one tool or one language in your complete career, right? You have to shift. So you have to get updated in a different ways. You can get connected to LinkedIn, okay, you can follow all the mentors to whom you want to follow. You'll get latest update from the different books, different webinars. Start attending meeting, meetups, online, offline. Now meetups are happening offline too. You can start following some YouTube channels. At least get to know what is trending in the market, what is coming new in the market, and based on that you can start learning. So I always recommend you should have a two tracks. One is your long term goal, right? You should have a complete roadmap how you want to become a complete automation test engineer, not only from the web automation side, complete test architect, or uh, test automation expert, or anything, depends on your roadmap. One thing is you have to also understand what is going in the market. So parallelly, you can also learn the new things which is coming, not related to automation, but maybe something new is coming to the DevOps. Just understand what exactly that tool does, or the framework, what exactly problem it is solving. So have a long-term goal, stick to a long-term goal that you have to, keep on learning day by day, or every month you have to learn something new. The second thing is start following some medium blogs, YouTube channels, and so on. Okay. Okay, if you have a few more questions, just a second. Anil says, can you please suggest me what kind of interviews or what kind of questions mainly asked in manager round? Okay. So Anil, I will be coming up with a series on this. So technical questions already discussed in my last community sessions. So HR related questions, MR related questions. There are no fixed questions and answers. It keeps changing, but yeah, definitely I will cover the frequently asked questions in the MR round. Manoj, any plans of rest assured course? Any plan or any? Can you please suggest from where I can learn? Manoj, I will start a rest assured course in October. Dates are not finalized. It will be a weekday batch. So if you want immediate one, you can check the Udemy courses or some other trainings. I can't suggest right now because I haven't seen their course content, the syllabus part. But if you can wait, we'll start in October, and it will be on iNeuron portal. Okay, so how to register for the new a batch? Can you share the link? Yes, sure. Why not? So let me share my screen. So just head over to ineuron.ai and just search for automation. I have two courses right now. One is with JavaScript. So here we are discussing about Cypress, Playwright, and WebDriver IO. Second course, which is starting from 24th September, and this is the complete link. I will give you the link in the chat. You can apply a coupon code called Mukesh30 for immediate 30% discount. And this offer is valid only till 11th, so 5th to 11th. So this is my first announcement, guys. All the iNeuron courses on this Teachers Day, we are announcing 30% flat discount. So not only this course, if you buy any course, even Tech Neuron from iNeuron, you will be getting flat 30%. But this offer is valid from 5th till 11th. Apart from that, I also want to give another announcement, which is Neurolabs. So iNeuron have launched a free platform for coding where you can code on the cloud. You don't need to set up anything. Okay. So even if you're enrolled for some courses or not, you can log into ineuron.ai and you will see Neurolabs. And right now we have VS Code and Jupyter right now, but other things are coming soon. So you can see we have planned for MySQL, Hadoop, Cassandra, Power BI, AWS, Azure, GCP, and the DevOps related containers. And right now you can write code in any programming language: Java, JavaScript, Python, C++. You just need to click on which id you want to use, and the lab will be ready and you can start writing. It's free for everyone. So if you are struggling with the installation part, you just want to start as soon as possible, you don't have dedicated system, no problem, just launch your browser, log into iNeuron, and you can start writing your code. So you can see on, so this is the VS code I have. I have Java, Python, JavaScript, and everything is working fine. Soon we will be coming with a separate VM where you can execute your test as well, where the browser will be launched. You can do the complete automation on the separate VM. You don't have to reserve a dedicated VM. We will do it for you. You just need to log into the browser, write your code, and the test will be executed on our VMs, and it will be completely free. So please access this. If you face any issue, if you have any feedback, please let us know. We'll try to work on it. We are working really very hard. So if you have any feedback, please let us know and we will try our best to fix it and provide you the most services in the future. So Sakanya, you can check out this link and don't forget to apply Mukesh30 is the coupon code. Bharu says, can I suggest my friends to any referral offer? So Bharu, you can register as an affiliate here. If you see this link or become an affiliate, you can become an affiliate. You will get a link. You can share this link with your friends and you will start getting the referral bonus. Okay. And it's instant. The moment they will buy something from iNeuron portal, you will be getting immediate referral bonus. Okay, so let me read a couple of questions. Okay, that's interesting. There's so many tools for automation. How to take command of all the tools on all the programming language? So first of all, Ritesh, that's impossible to be master in all the programming language and all the tools. How I have done it, like you should have one, one command over, sorry, super command or very good command on at least one of the programming language and one automation tool. Once you are done with that, then switching to different languages, switching to different tools, it's just matter of few days or few weeks. You cannot learn all the programming languages. Yes, you can shift, right? But you should have hold on at least one programming language. So let's say you are good in Selenium with Java, then tomorrow if I ask you to switch to Cypress using JavaScript, you can easily do that, because loops will remain loops, conditions will remain conditions, exception handling, you know arrays, set, map, only the keyword and some names changes, but the concept is same. Even if you switch to Python, we have dictionaries, we have tuple, we have list, right? So at least hold on to one programming language with one tool, and you can switch to different tools or different language, depends on your need. One question from Tej Kumar: multilingual testing concepts on Cypress. Any talk about it would be helpful. So, Tej, have not done multilingual testing with Cypress as of now. I need to see if there are any plugin available or not. Cypress have extended capability in terms of plugin. So, I will check if any plugin available. Then, yes, we can do that. For visual testing, we have Apply tools. You can integrate Cypress with Apply tool and you can do the visual testing. But multilingual testing, I need to see once. Okay, so Prithvish, again one question: is Cypress going to overtake Selenium coming future? Not really. So many tools are coming in the market. I will say it can be one of the competitor, but they serve a different purpose. Okay, Cypress is only supporting JavaScript. Selenium supports multiple programming languages, right? Selenium architecture, Cypress architecture is totally different. So I don't think it will overtake Selenium in the coming future. But yes, right now, if you have seen so many blogs or videos, many companies are shifting from Selenium to Cypress because of the easy to use debugging features, time traversing features. But yes, Cypress have some limitations as well. Plus, if you want to run the test in parallel mode, you have to use their paid dashboard service. So yes, it's getting good competition, but it will not overtake. Okay, so any more questions? Okay, Anil have one question: which is better to go with Playwright or Cypress? Has got to know with some articles that Playwright has overcome on few limitation that Cypress was having. So which has the better future? I totally agree, Anil, that whatever limitations that we have in Cypress, Playwright has already covered all of them. Plus, Playwright offers so many things which Cypress does not offer. Cypress works on JavaScript. Playwright works with all the programming languages, at least major programming language: C Sharp, Java, JavaScript, Python as well. Plus, no dashboard service, no any payment related thing with Playwright. Plus, it is supported by Microsoft. So, good future over Playwright. But as I said, if you learn one of the automation tools, you can switch to different automation tools in few days. It is in the demand. Thank you for the clarification. Yes, Pratish, it is in demand. Many companies have their in the JDs as well that you should have some knowledge of Cypress or Playwright. So if you watch my last four videos on Cypress, you will get a fair idea what Cypress is, what kind of functionality it offers, and how it is different. So you'll get a fair idea. Cheerful chunkies. Which tool will be good for automation of Angular? Selenium works perfectly fine with AngularJS application as well. Only thing is locators part plus the sync issues. If you're able to handle sync issues smartly in Selenium, no need to switch. But obviously, Cypress, Playwright, and WebDriver IO, they have more easy way to handle React based application, AngularJS applications, and Vue.js. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you, Tapas. Sanjay says I'm facing switch job from manual to automation. So can you please suggest how can I do that? But I'm not from coding background. I'm from mechanical, sorry, from electronic. See, Sanjay, it's not an issue that from which what was your branch in your college. That doesn't matter. It matters how you are able to clear the interviews. If it's in Navin Automation Labs or Sanjay Kumar or so many trainers, or I will say the mentors, they are actually from the different background altogether, and they moved into complete dev role into the automation role. So if you can tell me specifically that what kind of issues you're getting, while attending interviews, or what kind of issues you're getting, then I can help you in a better way. But I have a video on this, how to switch from manual to automation. So please check out that video. Okay, so I will be taking few more questions. Then we will end this live. I know it's late night for everyone, so I will keep this short. We'll have this live session once again, maybe on Thursday or Friday. Meru says September 24th. It is live classes with you or recorded. It's not recorded. It's completely live classes. I will be taking all the sessions. It is in the morning, 7:30 to 9:30 a.m. IST. Tejasvi Manimala, hi Mukesh, I need a suggestion from you. I'm 2012 pass out. Is it possible to work in IT? I mean, it is possible to crack the interview. Tejasvi, it's not the good platform to discuss this. Maybe you can drop an email. I will share my number and we can have a discussion. I just started my career as automation test engineer. Will I continue in this? Or I have to learn development also? No, Raghavendra, you can stick to automation testing. Okay. So not just stick to Selenium or one tool. You should expertise in all the different areas in automation, web, API, mobile, RPA. Then you can go into the non-functional areas and continue. So no need to switch to development. In case if you want, it's your call. But automation have a huge demand. Mukesh, we are giving valuable information. Happy teachers there. Thank you, Prakash ji. Manoj says any inputs on resume for QA with 6 years experience for manual automation. Can LinkedIn resume maker work out for? So Manoj, anyways, you're in my JavaScript batch. We will be having a resume discussion in our training program. So no need to pay additional to any resume makers. Your calm and sober behavior is exemplary. Thank you, Sovik, and thank you so much for attending my Surgery live session also. And see you soon in the course. Can you start a live course on Gatling, Devashish? Not really. We don't have any plan as of now for Gatling. Thank you so much, Subhash. Please do a video on test automation in IntelliJ IDEA with Cucumber. So, Dapo, I already have video how to set up your complete framework on IntelliJ. I have not covered with Cucumber. I have covered with Selenium, but only one more plugin you need to add for Cucumber. Rest everything is same. You can check out my video right now after this live, and you will be able to do that. In case if you face an issue, okay, just connect with me. Okay, I got a new topic for my videos. Can you make a video on how to write cold emails and how to approach HR? It's completely non-technical, Mohammed, but yeah, I will try my best to cover this. Why we did not get live link in Academy this week? So Subhash, actually there was some issue, so they will be sending next week. So I already updated in my WhatsApp group. So if you're not in that group, send an email. I will add you in that group. Okay, so last two questions, then we can end this live, and I will see you all in some other live. Uh, Please start as Jenkins CI/CD in GitHub. Jenkins playlist is already done 21 videos. Git and GitHub series is pending that I need to upload it. Okay, so one last question and then we can end this. Thank you, Sandeep. Hi Mukesh, can you please tell me, do you teach also offline? No, Sanjay. I used to do offline trainings back in 2015 and 16, but from last 6 years I'm doing completely online. Deepak says, hi Mukesh, started learning automation by watching your videos. Now I'm working one of the big MNC. Happy teacher. Thank you so much, Deepak Kumar. Keep watching and keep sharing this kind of news. It actually motivates us to continue this work. Okay, so that's all from my side. So two announcement, those who are looking for automation course, we are starting a new batch 24th September, 7:30 to 9:30 a.m. IST. You can apply coupon code Mukesh30. You'll get flat 30% discount. And after discount, it will be 5,000 something. Or if you convert into USD, it will be hardly 71 USD. 3 months live course, you will get the recordings, everything. I will make a dedicated video on that as well soon, but in case you're looking, you can check out the link I will give you in the description along with the coupon code. Second announcement, we have launched Neurolab, where you don't have to install anything. Everything is available on the cloud. You just log into iNeuron. If you're part of some course, it's good. If you're not part of some of the courses, still you can start using the lab and start writing your code. Please, how do I get into what? So this is a closed WhatsApp group, Dapo, for only few people who have enrolled for my courses, not to everyone. If you want to connect with me, you can send an email or you can connect with me on my Instagram as well. Mukesh Otwani official is the handle, and you can ask a query. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much once again, and thank you so much for all your love and support. And I will see you in the next live. In the meanwhile, stay healthy and take care. Bye bye. Good night.